I just visited the Row first store in Paris, and I must say it's so beautiful to see and be able to touch all the pieces. It was an amazing experience. However, I had to queue for like around 20-25 minutes, but I was chatting with some American girls, so it was okay. So inside you have the new collection, you have some bags, however some of them were already sold out. And you actually cannot take photos of the interior itself. You can take photos of the pieces, but not the interior or the objects that are in the store. So I wasn't smart enough to film. I will maybe be able to put some photos here of the store. If not, you will be able to find it on my TikTok or my Instagram. There is a coffee shop inside as well, so I got a cappuccino to go. And yeah, I really recommend going. So actually in this vlog I wanted to talk to you about something that I'm organizing in Paris. So I'm organizing a pop-up for Polish brands, as well as a closet sale for influencers. It's actually not the first time that I organize this, but it's always a bit stressful, a lot of work, but I'm super excited, and it's already next week, starting on Thursday for 3 days. So I'll be showing you a lot of preparation for this, and I hope you enjoy to see my more work side of my life, because I haven't tell it here, but I've worked for some luxury houses before, Hermes, Dior, Chanel, but right now I'm mostly working on freelance projects. So I ordered a lot of stuff for the pop-up, because there is so many things you have to think about before organizing an event like this. Like I ordered some cute paper for wrapping the pieces, some bags, of course, even some plates for candies. What else did I order? Price tags, of course. And what else do I have? Some stuff for merchandising. I will put some beautiful jewelry on this. So yeah, there's a lot of things you have to think about beforehand, because Paris is a great city, but finding useful products here, like the stores are very small, so if you want to find something in particular, it's quite hard. I order almost everything online. Oh, this is also for merchandising. So yeah, and there is one more package I have to open, which is not for the pop-up. Package from Chloe, the brand. Because my friend kindly offered me to go for their private sale recently. Because you know, if you work for a brand, you have some kind of perks, like private sales for employees. So you get to basically buy stuff from the brand much cheaper. And I ordered a necklace. I will show you. My first Chloe item. I really like the brand, even more recently after they changed the creative director. But I've never bought anything. It's a necklace, because my name is Zosia. So this is how it looks. I'll show you closer. I don't have a lot of necklaces, especially long ones. So I think this will be cute. Donc on a un croissant, un pain au chocolat et un pain suisse aux noix de coco.
Ouais, la noix de coco. Et il y a un granola qui arrive.
Oui. J'ai trouvé un très beau manteau fait en France, en cachemire, à 160 €. Mais j'en ai pas besoin. C'est une pièce unisexe, je pense. Il faut qu'on l'achète à deux.
Unisexe ou dual coup? So the pop-up starts in 2 days, so I'm finishing off some last things to do. I'm meeting with one of the influencers today. That's the very last box I have to bring to the store. So we just finished the first day of the pop-up. It was amazing. All the people who came were super nice. I was so amazed because a lot of people came from my TikTok. So my videos worked, so I'm super glad. It was great energy. I had some friends coming, some influencers, people from around the world. So yeah, first day was great, and I'm happy to continue tomorrow and on Saturday. So it was quite busy today, but I think on Saturday it's gonna be crazy because it's a weekend. So it's gonna be great. Can't wait. And now I'm heading to eat dinner with the owner of one of the brands who came to Paris with her sister. We're gonna have some Italian food, and after that I'm gonna go to sleep very early today. I'm super tired. Oula, mes cheveux, qu'est-ce qui se passe? Deuxième journée du pop-up. Et voilà.
Troisième journée.
Ah oui, troisième. Et voilà mon vendeur. Caissier, vendeur, mannequin.
Caissier.
On va mettre encore plus d'affiches.